free college is definitely something that we all need out here. Trust me, I got student loan bills right now, and it's a headache. All right, but to alleviate that stress, there are certain things you can do, parents. From Rob, would you say from kindergarten all the way through 12th grade to help alleviate that stress if your student's trying to be an athlete?
Yes, basically you got to focus on your academics. And for most parents, they may not know, or most people may not know, there are 77 academic scholarships to 1 athletic scholarships. And if you know that these universities and colleges are institutions of higher learning. So we definitely want to focus on academics because there are 77 kids walking around, and we'll say the University of Georgia, that don't have to go to practice, that are getting the same benefits as a person that has to go to practice at 5 in the morning and then, return back to their dorm or their apartment at 8 or 9 o'clock at night. So we're always going to push academics first, and then everything else to take care of itself.